What's going on, everybody? A little update with what we got for some of these projects. We got a seat ordered for the new R6. It's an 03. We also have a fuel pump coming in, so we'll have a video getting posted, or shooting a video and posting sometime this week. I may change the day that we post to Saturdays, just because the weekdays get real busy for me. And I can always edit on Thursdays when I'm off and have YouTube check everything. Anyway, the Ducati is in the shop getting a new rectifier, new stator, also getting the fluids flushed, obviously an oil change, and the fork seals were leaking. So we got fork seals getting done too. So that's an update on those. I believe next week we will, probably Friday night, we're going to shoot a video on us putting new camera mounts on the R1. I'm also trying to acquire some more GoPros, so if anybody's got any good deals on GoPros, let me know. I'm trying to pick up a session that I can kind of use to move around and hide it in little spots to get interesting camera angles. So anyway, that's just a quick little update. I know we've been slacking on videos. It's kind of difficult to shoot stuff, and I'm not sure what you guys really want to see that's not racing related. So in the comments, let me know what you guys want to see outside of racing stuff. Took a little vacation to Venice Beach. Went shark tooth hunting and stuff like that. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see more of in the comments. If y'all want to see just kind of what we do outside of racing, like as a team, or what each team member does, let me know. But yeah, a little quick update on what we got going on. I should pick the Ducati up sometime this week, give it a little shakedown. It's now straight, which is great. So yeah, anyway, just like I said, just a quick little update. Didn't want to leave you guys hanging too bad. And yeah, we're off to church. So walking the dog, and yeah, we off to church. So anyway, Roebling is, no, not Roebling. Sorry, Little Talladega is next weekend. We will have so much content being filmed. We're trying to film more travel stuff, and I think we're going to go live on Instagram, so you guys can hop in, and I'll also post the Instagram username in the comment or in the description, so you guys can come over there, hang out, chat with us. Dad will be in the car, who's always been a big help, and my girlfriend will be there, so you guys can hop in, chat with us, say hey, and yeah, so we will talk to you guys later. And here is to Little Talladega.